Sabi dito, tinatamad akong kunin yung Amex Platinum kasi laki ng annual fee. $699 siguro pag masipag na ako pumasok sa work. Just wanna share, for a couple of years, I've been holding credit cards with no annual fee. Kasi ayoko magbayad ng annual fee. But most of my credit cards are store credit card and yung mga kasama lang sa checking account, galing sa bangko. But when I discovered Amex Platinum, I was very convinced that it's the best credit card and the annual fee actually pays for itself and you will be getting a lot more than that. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, nung nag-apply ako, ang bonus ay 95,000 membership rewards if you spend 7,500 in 3 months. So, the moment I applied, marami akong upcoming na travel, so I thought it might be the best time to buy. Kasi plane ticket pa lang, mahal na. So, madali ma-reach yung 7,500. And to put some context, 95,000 points is actually $950. The 90,000 points or 95,000 points, depending sa bonus na makukuha nyo, can actually be converted to pay your credit card or yung mismong Amex ninyo. So, if I chose to do that, dun pa lang, kumita na ako kasi 700 lang yung annual fee pero meron akong $950. Here is one of the reasons why I want the card, the American Express Global Lounge Collection. So if you travel, you will have the access to more than 1,300 airport lounge sa 140 countries. From the moment I got my Platinum, we are a family of 3. We use the airport lounge for 6 times in different countries. It usually will charge you $30 to $40 per person to access a lounge. But since we have the Amex, we got those for free. Some lounge has cardholder +1 and some has cardholder +2. Depende kung nasaan ka. But out of the 6 lounges that we went to, minsan pa lang ako nagbayad ng $30. So if I will convert that into like Canadian dollar value, it's almost $800, $900. By far, this is my favorite lounge, the one in Las Vegas. Yung Centurion Lounge nila, I have a video of this in my TikTok. But as you can see here, while you're waiting, you have like a full meal. You can relax, you can charge your phone, do a lot of things. My favorite part is the bar. So you can order your drinks, everything's for free. But of course, tip is optional. Masaya mag-flight kung medyo tipsy ka para makatulog ka na lang sa plane. But going back on the value of this card, if you reach this far in this video, so you have your lounge access, merong $200 travel credit, pwede yan sa hotel, pwede sa rental car, pwede rin sa flight. There will be a $200 dining credit. If you haven't had the Nexus, you can apply and it's $100 credit. I got a year free of Disney Plus. I got $100 worth of Lulu items for free. I got my hotel and car rental status. Just a quick story, when we went to Abbotsford, we got free upgrade on our car rental. We got the car seat for free. And there's a lot more perks. And of course, the $950 worth of points. So if we will add everything for the first year, yes, I paid $700 for the annual fee, but I actually got around $2,500 worth of value out of this credit card. The most exciting part is earning the points. And just to give you the value of the points, this is how much you need to fly business class from Vancouver to Tokyo. 55,000 points and $92. In real life, one way of this Tokyo trip from Vancouver will cost you around $3,000 to $4,000. So the sign-up bonus is what, 90,000 right now. In their website is 80,000, but I have a 90,000 link that you can use. After reaching the spend limit, you will get the points. And look at this. Konti na lang, kaya mo nang lumipad ng one way to Tokyo, you and maybe your husband, your girlfriend, or a friend. Because you will get like 90,000 points. Yes, this is Air Canada and Aeroplan. but you can transfer the bonus points from American Express to Aeroplan. If you wanna solo travel, then it will be enough for you to have business class papunta at business class pauwi. And that itself would cost around $5,000 to $6,000 in real life, but you will get it for almost free just because of the points you get from signing up for the Amex Platinum. If you want to go somewhere tropical, look at this. 17,000 points will bring you from Toronto to Mexico. If you got 90 or 100,000 points, you can use it for like 2 or 3 people. Balikan na yon. So yeah, travel is expensive, but it's something that I really want to do. So I just found a couple of ways on how to travel using points. Right now, I'm still in the earning phase. But yeah, I really love the Amex Platinum despite the $700 cost. Kasi parang 10 times yung balik. If this is something that you want to try, you can go in their website, but their sign-up bonus is like 80,000, which is $800 worth. But I have a 90,000 bonus points link. If you want, you can just send me a message. Yun lang, na-share ko lang.